Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make sure everyone can see what others post on your Facebook page, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the process on your PC, so you can boost your page's visibility and keep your community engaged. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to facebook.com. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see a list of your pages. Click on the page you want to update. Once you're on your page, click on the profile photo of your page. This will take you directly to the main dashboard for your page. Next, look to the left-hand menu and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where all the magic happens. Scroll down until you see Page and Tagging. Click on it, and you'll find several options related to how people interact with your page. Look for the section that says, Who can see what others post on your page? Here's the important part. You'll see a few choices, but to make sure everyone can see posts from others, select Everyone. This setting means that anyone who visits your page will be able to see posts made by other people, not just the admins or people who follow your page. Once you've chosen Everyone, don't forget to click Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've just made your page more open and interactive. By following these simple steps, you're making it easier for your audience to engage, share, and connect. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.